You searched how to buy shares of Imperial Brands PLC, a major tobacco and consumer products company listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker IMB.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I use eToro here as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IMB.L to find Imperial Brands. Select the matching LSE listing to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company description and a price chart showing recent movement. Double-check the listing shows Imperial Brands PLC and the IMB.L ticker to confirm it is the right asset. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio. Find the example platform link in the description if you want to view the broker used in this walkthrough.